The Ramayana is one of the greatest epics ever written. It is not just a story. It is a guide to life, duty, love, and righteousness. This story was written by the sage Valmiki, and it tells the journey of Lord Rama, an ideal son, husband, brother, and king. Let us understand the Ramayana in simple words. Birth of Lord Rama. Long ago, in the kingdom of Ayodhya, there lived a powerful and kind king named Dasharatha. He ruled wisely, but he had one sadness: he had no children. After performing sacred prayers, King Dasharatha was blessed with 4 sons. Rama was born to Queen Kaushalya, Bharat to Queen Kaikeyi, Lakshmana and Shatrughna to Queen Sumitra. Among them, Rama was special. He was calm, kind, brave, and truthful. Everyone loved him. Rama marries Sita. When Rama grew up, he went to the kingdom of Mithila. There, King Janaka announced a challenge: whoever could lift and break Lord Shiva's bow would marry his daughter Sita. Many kings failed. Rama stepped forward. He lifted the bow effortlessly and broke it with ease. Sita and Rama were married. They returned to Ayodhya, and the people celebrated with joy. Rama chosen as king. Years passed. King Dasharatha decided it was time for Rama to become king. Ayodhya was filled with happiness. But fate had other plans. Queen Kaikeyi, influenced by her maid Mantra, demanded 2 promises from the king. Rama must go to the forest for 14 years. Bharat must become king. King Dasharatha was heartbroken, but he had to keep his word. Rama goes to the forest. When Rama heard the decision, he did not argue. He did not get angry. He accepted it calmly. Sita decided to go with him. Lakshmana also refused to stay behind. Together, they left the palace and walked into the forest. The people of Ayodhya cried, but Rama remained strong. Life in the forest: Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana lived a simple life. They stayed in huts, ate fruits and roots, and respected sages. But dangers surrounded them. Demons disturbed the peaceful forests. Rama protected the sages and destroyed evil forces. Abduction of Sita. One day, the demon king Ravana noticed Sita. He ruled the golden kingdom of Lanka and was filled with pride. Using deception, Ravana kidnapped Sita while Rama and Lakshmana were away. Sita was taken to Lanka and kept in a garden called Ashoka Vatika. She refused Ravana's proposals and stayed loyal to Rama. Rama meets Hanuman. Heartbroken, Rama searched everywhere for Sita. During this journey, he met Hanuman, a devoted and powerful warrior. Hanuman promised his help. With the help of the monkey king Sugriva, Rama formed a strong army. Hanuman crossed the ocean to Lanka, found Sita, and gave her Rama's ring as a sign of hope. He returned with the news. Battle of Lanka. Rama's army built a bridge across the ocean and marched toward Lanka. A great war followed. Many powerful warriors fought bravely. Lakshman defeated Indrajit, Ravana's mighty son. Finally, Rama faced Ravana. After a fierce battle, Rama defeated Ravana and ended his tyranny. Good triumphed over evil. Return to Ayodhya. Sita was rescued. Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana returned to Ayodhya after 14 years. The city was filled with lamps and celebration. This day is celebrated as Diwali, the victory of light over darkness. Rama was crowned king. His rule, known as Rama Rajya, was a time of peace, justice, and happiness. The Ramayana teaches us many lessons. Always follow dharma, righteous path, keep your word, no matter the cost. Respect parents and elders, stay loyal and truthful. Evil may rise, but good always wins. Lord Rama shows us how to live with dignity and honor. The Ramayana is not just history. It is a mirror for our lives. That is why this story is remembered, respected, and loved even today. End.